Today we have the 2022 Ford Tourneo Custom. This vehicle has done just over 56,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can see that we have 9 seats in total. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control. Moving on to our screen, we can access valet mode, voice control, full pass connect, Apple and Android CarPlay, mobile apps and navigation. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with front and rear parking sensors. Just below our screen we have our AC with heated seats on either side.